Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with day number 25 of my Christmas catch-up series or layout a day, and Merry Christmas everyone. So today is fun because I am starting 2017 of my photos. What I have left over of photos, I have scrapbooked some of the photos over the course of years from 2017, but I haven't gotten them all. So I'm finishing up 2017 so that I can, get them in the albums, right? Keep everything chronological. So I'm finishing up with Echo Park, and I'm moving on to another collection in my stash. I think this is probably Recollections or Craftsmith from Michaels. So I am starting with the Scrapbook Generation sketch, same as every other day this month. It is by Allison Davis, and I don't think this one was from the 6x6 class. I think it's just one that I downloaded from their website. Anywho, it's a 4-photo sketch, and it's one of those that I love with like the grid layout. I'm not going to show you the actual sketch itself because yeah, it's paid content. So I have the photos pulled together. I have my title figured out, and these are the papers that I am going to use while I am creating. I think this one is going to be my background paper, and then I will build up from here, and then these will be my accent papers. And I'm thinking I may end up cutting some of these Christmas trees out, or some of these leafy green pieces out. I don't know yet. I have pulled in Flare to use. Let me flip that over so you can see. I have pulled in the epoxy stickers. I have pulled in this little Paper Studio collection of stickers. I have pulled in scraps from yesterday's layout. I have pulled in these little tags in case I'm able to use something from them, even if I cut something out. I have pulled in this from Echo Park from the Christmas collection, and the colors are right, and I want to bring in some pops of red, so I'm thinking about like this flower cluster, or maybe this to maybe put my title on. I pulled in these stickers again because I'm going to try. And then I have an idea. There's some star embellishments on the sketch, and I thought maybe instead of stars I can use buttons. And so there are button stickers throughout these sticker sheets, or little round elements that I may be able to get used. We'll see how that works out. More of the little button shapes. And more of the little button shapes. And more of the little button shapes and round embellishments. So we'll see. Give me a few minutes. I'm going to start putting this layout together, and I will be back to show you what I have created in just a second. Be right back. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 25. I have leftover tags that I did not use, and I did not use the cut apart sheet, and I didn't use this sticker sheet. Again, this is starting 2017. These are all the papers that I cut into, which were all of them that I added in. There were 4 or 5 different sheets of paper. This was the background, and I added this on top, used this in the middle, this in the middle, and then used this as a division. I used at least one circle from here, and I used the buttons from here, the buttons from here. I think I used all the buttons. I don't think I left any behind. I used a circle element from here with the date, the number 25. Yeah, I used all the circles. I even used a couple of circles from in here from this page. I used a flare. I used the epoxy stickers, one from here and one from here. I used these bling from Close to My Heart, these from Eyelet Outlet, these from Want to Scrap, and then some of the triangles from Close to My Heart. I used twine because, yeah, I'm on a time crunch, right? This is the alphabet I used to create my title. And here is the layout that I created. I love how this one came together because I love the square, the 4 square photos. This was fun to do. Some of these Christmas trees that were on the background paper, I fussy cut out of another paper and bumped them up a little bit to give it a little dimension. I have all the little circles and buttons and flare, and bling and enamel dots, all of that. There's the flare, and then just a happy holiday sticker there. And you can see I cut out the center, and then I did some sewing for the inside of my buttons. This one is done. If you want to see close-ups and details of the layout, I will have those at the end of the video. If you want to see the other layouts, don't forget I have a playlist on my channel called December 2022, and you can find them there. Otherwise, guys, I'm going to take off from here and enjoy my Christmas day, and I will see you guys tomorrow.